Welcome to a world where bathroom comfort meets innovation. Imagine stepping into a bathroom where moisture is automatically managed, ensuring fresh, clean air every time. Meet the Moisture Sensor Extractor Fan, your ultimate solution to excess humidity. Excess moisture can lead to mold growth and damage, making your bathroom less inviting. But with this intelligent fan, automatic humidity control detects and eliminates moisture only when needed, safeguarding your home and health. Not only does it prevent mold and mildew, but its energy efficiency means it operates only when necessary, saving you on electricity bills. Breathe easier with improved air quality, as this fan effectively removes humidity and odors, leaving your space fresh and inviting. Plus, with low maintenance and smart home integration options, it's a modern upgrade that offers convenience and hands-free control. Ready to transform your bathroom into a haven of comfort? Discover the benefits of a moisture sensor extractor fan today. And remember, for all your home improvement needs, trust One Click Appliance Repair, your partner in creating a better home environment.